Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Suzuki Burgman 200 motor scooter. 2-up, ABS brakes, automatic transmission. This thing is in beautiful shape. Only 659 miles on this gorgeous 2017 matte gray. It's also got the GV blade top case, locking, removable. You can carry it like a little suitcase. Beautiful condition, super low miles. Come on by and make your Burgman 200 dreams come true for just $39.90. This thing is not going to be here long. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.